Okay, I think I said in my last video that my next video was going to be about something, but I forgot what that something was because I'm really forgetful. Oh, no. Okay. I'm gonna actually delete this. I'm not gonna give it to my friend Megan anymore because, you know. Ah! How long ago did I give to him? 18 hours ago. So I have to wait, I think 6 more hours. 19, 20. 6 hours. Oh wait, no, that's it. Okay. Wait, 19, 20. 24. Oh, it is 6. Okay. I don't know what I did. Wait, 19, 20. No, 24. Okay. So 6 more hours. Right now it's 5:25. I'm not good at reading either. So when it's 11, I'm not waiting that long. No. You know what? I'm leaving. Let's see. It was just like that because of this morning. You know, I'm gonna just look for messages. No, it's actually 18 hours ago. Okay, like I said, I was deleting Lucy QYINN for Bray because it was supposed to be this, but I accidentally put a Y, got it to 6, and then I made my last video was about deleting it. So yeah, right now I have 0 these Darkoids. Let me look here. Let's see how many diamonds I've. Because this was my friend Abdullah's, and oh, I only have 10 diamonds. Ah, such a noob. Let's see my main. It's just no, not that one. This is my boyfriend. I'm gonna put him right here because it's my second. You know, I can't say it. I can't think. So I just want to say, let's see how many I used. Because I like to see. Hurry up! I only spent 10. I did not finish. So by the time I finish this, I'm gonna have that silver award. Bruh, no. That could get me on like level 19. But too bad. Because I will never be VIP again. Because my parents won't buy it. My friend Megan bought it. I gave her $10. I made a video about this. I gave her $10 for my VIP because at that time VIP was cheaper. I'm like, not this. I don't. No, it's over here. It's over here. Come on. No. I know I'm star VIP. Oh, why don't I just look here? Louis. Well, I bought this, but since it's $13, I was already VIP then. So let me do $10. No. It was the Easter sale. So they had the Easter sale. And it made it $10. So I gave my friend Megan $10, and she gave me, and I was able to get that. She ended up buying 16 off her wish list and gave herself a greet. Then once I saw it, because it shows like, oh, XX Alu heart XX had gave someone an auto, and I looked, because you know how it does these things. I looked, seriously, I looked, and it said, XX Alu heart XX. I'm gonna just say XX Alu. XX Alu gave Nova Vibes a greet. I'm like, nope, I'm logging in. Goodbye, Megan. You know what? I'm gonna watch that video right now. I was supposed to get 15,000 star coins. Let's go on. No. No, I don't need to go there. Yeah, my it says Beth, like, for here, it says this thing is Beth, is classy, is only because this one used to be called Baby Beth. No, Classy Beth. And I ended up changing it to this one because I wanted to make a YouTube account about this. That was just because I didn't have YouTube on my phone because of the Noah incident. So my mom's like, you know what? My mom's like, you have to delete that, because my brother knew about it because he saw it in a YouTube video. So my mom was like really scared. So she's like, you know, everybody delete YouTube in the house. So guess what? We never watched YouTube for that whole entire 1 month. What's it called? Hey, where is it? Video. I know I post a lot, but I get no views. Oh, it's my second video. Okay. Such a noob. But I wasn't VIP. I have VIP here. I mean, this is VIP, and I think that is too. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I think so. But I only have it because I was at 1 week gig. And that's when I had no money. See? Look. I got 26,000 star coins! Pretty good. Okay, so where's my phone? Where is my phone? Calculate this. See how much money she spent. Clear. Okay. So 26. Oh wait, that's 26. Okay. I'm bad at talking. I mean reading. Wait, okay, so 26,234. Okay, and then I was supposed to have 41,234. Let's see how much money I ended up getting. Hurry up! God. Let me look at my account. Bruh. $37 minus subtract she spent 3,325 star coins. I know that sounds like a little bit, because a lot of you guys have a lot of money. God, this. Okay, I only have Spanish music in the background because my parents are having a party, so. And I'm just like, you know what, I don't want to be in your party. You know what, I gotta go eat. When I meant bye, I just meant I was gonna go get food. But, oh, for a minute I thought I was stuck. Oh, can you greet me? But I made scrambled eggs. It didn't come out how I wanted, but it was better than the first time I made it. I eat with my fingers. I'm so fat. I'm eating while I'm recording. And this isn't like ASMR. Wait. I mean ASMR. So I feel weird. But whatever. I swear. Okay. These people are cute. Especially this one, but I'm pretty sure this one, has a boyfriend. Oh, she wants a ton. Yeah. I need water. Okay. Make a look at me. Oh my god. She's up. Stop! Okay. Let me put that shirt on. This is where I'm gonna look ugly. Okay. I'll unpause this when I find out what. Okay. I found the outfit and I'm wearing it. I'm just not the same color as her anymore. Okay. I mean, that sounds racist. Okay. Twinning. I should put twinning with. Is that how you spell twinning? Wait. How to spell twin? Okay, I put it right. Okay. Twinning, right? Twinning with Leah. Are you serious? It won't let me put the H. Nah. Ah! Twinning with Leah. Twinning with Leah. Okay, now I'm gonna put taken by my step. Okay, twinning. So I guess that's it for now. Bye!